Hello fans, welcome to my channel. I hope you're enjoying the same setting build, new version. And today I would like to show you how to make the task, the Tokyo, easier. If you have a bug regarding building the Sakura parts and it shows you here that you already put 3 parts, but it shows you here the count is wrong. It's showing less than the amount of parts you have built, or it shows you like negative numbers. Please watch this. This will help your problem and will make this and will remove this bug. So basically, when I was building my packs, you can see I have here the space to put the 3 packs. But when I placed the packs, the counter was showing not 3, but I was showing like 3. So I will place them now. And to show the error, so I will place one here, and one there. So if you do that and you still get an error, then follow this solution. So if this here is not 3 and it doesn't show complete and shows you 1 or 2, then go remove the parts, put them in the storage, and after go and check there to show you what is showing. If it's not showing 0 or 1, if it doesn't show 0, it means that there's a bug. So what you can do, the best thing is remove the game from the cache. So double click, remove the game and load the game again. And that will solve any problem with the counter. So when you do this, place the packs again, and I'm sure the problem will be solved. Please try this, let me know if this counter, the game is solved, and let me know if you have any more questions. And you can do the task of the Tokyo column.
Sabib.
Okay, thank you for watching, bye bye.